Everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So if you are the one who have been applying for many jobs but still not getting any response back from anywhere and you want to know why, what is the problem, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, I am going to tell you one of the main reasons why you are not getting any response back, right, and how to fix this thing. Right. So now, first thing, see, one of the main reason for this problem is what? Your resume is not ATS friendly. Now, what is this ATS? It's Applicant Tracking System, and almost every company use this nowadays. It is basically a software which is used by those companies and organizations to, manage the hiring process. Because as we know, for a single post, for a single application, there are so many applicants nowadays. Right? There are so many applications they receive. Right, for a single post. So manually for a hiring manager, it's not, possible to filter out, to scan all the resume and filter out the students, right? So they have automated this process, right? Because as we know, technology is changing and there are so many tools and technology. So they use this thing, right? They are using AI tools and this technology. So they have automated this process. So they are using ATS, Applicant Tracking System. That is basically a software, and according to the job description, they just feed in that software the keywords they want for that job, or for according to the JD, the keywords, the skills and the qualifications, main thing, right? And then the ATS do resume screening. So basically ATS scans the resumes for the keywords. For the keywords, related to the JD, related to the job description. Right, and just filtering out all the resumes that don't match with those keywords, that don't have those keywords and skills and qualifications. Right. So if your resume is not ATS friendly, that would be rejected by the machine itself. It will not reach to a human. Right. Maybe you are a great person, you have experience, and you are good at that thing. You are a perfect person for that position, for that post. But if your resume is not ATS friendly, you will get rejected. So first you have to work on your resume. Right. Now first you have to check. You should check what is the ATS score of your resume, and how to check this. There are so many websites, right? The link of all the websites, or 5 or 6 websites, I'll provide you in the description. But once you check out, you just go to Google, and so in Google just type resume score or check resume score, and there will be many websites. So first click on this resume worded. You can use this website. And you can freely use this. You can check your resume's ATS score, right? You can just upload your resume and it will ask what best describes you. Entry level if you don't have any experience, or mid level or senior level. According to your resume you can choose, right? And if you don't have any account, you first have to sign up and all. So it's free, right? So log in and it is going to check now the upload. My resume is ATS friendly or not. So it's definitely not. The score is only 32 out of 100. Now it will show you your resume score is 32 out of 100. It's poor. So it will show you the points you need to take care, right? Steps to increase your score. What are the sections? If you have included some unnecessary section or skill section or everything, it will give you, and you can just check where you need to improve and you can fix this unnecessary section. Unnecessary section you should remove, So there are some unnecessary section like career objective. So this resume is almost 10 years old. So there we used to write career objective. But now it's definitely not compulsory. You need to avoid this thing. Just summary or the skills, experience and all, no career objective. So yeah, this you need to remove. Remove hobbies and interest. Definitely there would not be a separate section for hobbies and interest, right? So remove this thing also. So see, it will give you suggestion as well. So there are 2 unnecessary section here. Past check, no reference section, past, recruiter inside, specific questions you might have if you stuck. So there are some question answer also you can check. Here you can just click on impact, and your resume's impact score is made up of these checks. How you got this score? Quantifying impact. Quantify means you have to add numbers. Like, see, let me just show you according to this resume. Let's click on fix. You should add more hard numbers into your resume. Let's see. they are looking some numbers. So my weaker section is in charge of creating new processes and improving communication between departments. But here, rather than this, I need to quantify this thing. I need to add some numbers like this. This is more stronger. So they will give you hint also. See, 10 departments and cut down paperwork by 70%. Like this. These kind of numbers you have to add in your resume. Right? If you have done some projects or something, so I have done this thing, reduce or you can say that time by 50% or like this. It's not like you just simply write I have done this thing. No, you have to show some results in numbers. So that will add value. So you have to quantify. Now I have done some changes in my resume according to this and I'll upload the new one. And let's see whether the score is same or see, it's 33. What I have done is I have just removed career objective, that thing, and the separate section for hobbies and interests. That's it. I have done nothing else. And now previous was 32 and it's 33 only. So like this, it's one of them. You can use another website is Jobscan. That is better than this. According to job description, you can scan your resume. So just go to this website, go to scan your resume and upload your resume now. And see, paste a job description for a particular job if you are applying. So that JD just paste here, or you can use a sample. So I have a job description. Let's take from naukri.com. I have this assistant professor Amity University. This and this is the GD. So let's just copy paste this thing. So in this GD we have the skills, the role or the qualification they need. Just copy paste this thing here and scan the resume I have uploaded. It will show you the result that your resume is fit for this or not, or your resume is having those specific keywords or not. This is, I think, the good one rather than the previous one. If for a particular job description you want to check your resume. Right, so it's 46. Here I have just done some changes in that resume and uploaded the updated one here. So it is showing according to this job description my resume is having 46. The score is 46 because my resume is in teaching profession. So that is why I have pasted that JD for assistant professor and it's 46, but it's not good. It's not good, definitely it's not good. So it will show you the report, searchability 4 areas to improve. See, it will give you the information as well, everything. Job title, the job title which they have given in the GD, that is not in my resume. So I have to ensure that I have to include that thing also. Education, it's not matching, preferred PhD in computer science and MTech, MCA education. Right, so I have to, write down my education according to that. Obviously, in my resume, I don't have PhD, right? I have just only MTech. Hard skill. See now, although I have knowledge, obviously computer science, curriculum development I have done, programming skill I have, but still I haven't mentioned these skills in my resume. That is why it is showing these skills are missing. Although I know I have these skills, but you should add those keywords, those skills according to the JD into your resume. It's not like that you just prepare one resume and for every position apply according to that resume. This resume is almost 9 years old, so I haven't updated a single thing. This is the previous one. I just uploaded this resume just to show you the score and all, right? How poor the score can be. So add these keywords. See in that JD, just check out this thing. Qualification, they need this. Data science knowledge, I haven't, even though I have some knowledge of data science, but I haven't added in my resume, I haven't uploaded, right? I have experience in curriculum development, but I haven't uploaded this keyword, right? Problem solving abilities, obviously I have, right? certification also I have. So these keywords I have to add in my resume just to make it ATS friendly. See the key skills: computer science, teaching, curriculum development. Only teaching I have, right? See, only teaching I have. Otherwise, I don't have anything. So, like this. Soft skills, okay, these are fine. Complete recruiter tips, you can check. See, I've just added only one gate qualified with 92 percentile. So consider adding at least 5 specific achievements you had in your job. Like I have told you in previous case also, quantify your results. Add some numbers rather than simply a statement. I have done this thing. I have worked on these projects. No, what you have done in those projects? You have saved time, 10% time in some kind of projects or these kind of things. Try to add numbers so that they can see directly the success, directly the result. Paragraph length is more in my resume, so I have to short this down, right? So these are some recruiter tips, right? Words to avoid, web presence. Yeah, if I add some LinkedIn URL or some GitHub profile in my, resume, that would definitely add value. So add, some professional website just to increase the credibility of your resume. You can use, if you are applying for in company, you can use that GitHub profile or your LinkedIn profile or any other profile if you have on any platform. That also you can use, not Facebook and Insta, right? And they will also see, we have done our best to extract the information from your resume into a ATS ready template. So you can download this and check your score, but for that, obviously you have to take the premium feature, right? It's not free, but you just take the hint from here, and according to that you can update your resume, right? So this is the basic step. You just check your ATS score of your resume, and according to that, modify your resume. And if you want me to upload further videos like how to make a ATS friendly resume, 10 to 15 points, right? Practically I'll show you how to change your resume and all. Then you can just let me know in comment section. I'll upload another video on that topic also, right? I hope you got this now. That's it for this video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.